हाय गाइस, दिस इज सक्षम।
दिस इज प्रतीक.
और आज हम बैठे हैं थोड़े प्रोफेशनल सेटअप में। और वी हैव केप्ट दिस इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स टू लुक कूल in front of us. But first, coffee. So today I wanted to discuss. We were just chatting, that how business came into our minds and how we became entrepreneurs. So whenever we start something, we have something there in our childhood memories. I know for a fact that my dad had kind of a kida, 100% of business, that he was in government job but still used to do multiple things. But I clearly remember that my first impression of business as a kid was when I started riding my bicycle. I used to go to this place called Ankit Momo Wala in Ramnagar, Jim Corbett. Or that guy, I used to love him. He started with a small cycle selling his momos, then he got a shack, then he built a cart, then he built a full shop around it. So I was like, man, this guy can do it. And he used to give us at those days around, we used to have, those, हमारे यहाँ उधार चलते हैं. Like we give, those guys used to give us credit of about like 1,000 rupees at that time. So like, what man, if he's giving me 1,000 rupees credit, imagine how many people he's giving to. So that's more like it. Do you have any as such memory of a small, local vendor or any big tycoon who kind of inspired you to also be an entrepreneur, or come on a business journey or take kind of that risk?
आई थिंक फॉर मी इट वाज, तो इनिशियल तो डेज सेम प्लेस की पहले पढ़ के इंजीनियर बनना है कुछ ना, तो बहुत इनिशियल डेज में तो बिजनेस का या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का दैट वाज नॉट द केस इन माय बैकग्राउंड एरिया. बट देन अराउंड 2008-2009 जब एकदम से न्यूज़ आई थी कि टाटा बॉट जैगुआर एंड लैंड रोवर एंड इट वाज इन लॉसेस, और एकदम से 2010 में देयर वाज अ ह्यूज थिंग कि नाउ लैंड रोवर एंड जैगुआर इज़ एन इंडियन कंपनी ओन्ड बाय टाटा एंड इट टर्न प्रॉफिटेबल एंड समथिंग. तो आई थिंक उस टाइम पे देयर वाज दिस फ्लो कि यार जैगुआर और लैंड रोवर जैसी कंपनी खरीद ली, और एकदम से जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वो स्टोरीज भी चलती है ना कि एकदम बिकॉज समथिंग हैपेंड एंड दिस महाराजा डिड दिस एंड देन समवन डिड दिस. So that sort of kicked the कीड़ा or the instinct कि there is something completely different, a different aura of businessmen, of entrepreneurs, and the things that they can achieve or they can pull off. I think a lot of people in jobs cannot.
Perfect. So क्योंकि अब he has taken such a big name, तो अब मेरी भी मजबूरी है that I tell you. But I remember 2011-12 I went to Bangalore first time. It was a mall called UB City Mall. I was roaming around and there was this one guy. I was a kid. I was just roaming around the mall and there was this one guy. I went to a watch store. It was a very fascinating watch store. I don't remember the name. But there was this guy. I saw that I was looking at a watch and it was priced about 12 lakh rupees at that time. And then somebody came in the store and then he, kind of swiped his credit card. And he bought that watch. So I was like super fascinated because for us like 100 200 rupees used to be a big deal, and that guy swiping to like 12 lakh rupees on a credit card kind of a place was amazing. Then I found out that who is the owner of the mall, and I found out it's Vijay Mallya. And Vijay Mallya has been like in my mind from my very early childhood days. That all those news around the flamboyance it used to come, I was very fascinated. And then I used to think only that he runs a beer business and he runs a airline business. बट देन व्हेन आई फाउंड आउट ही इज़ इन अ मॉल, तब मुझे वो शायरी या वो मुहावरा होता है ना जो हमारे यहाँ याद आता है कि डोंट पुट ऑल योर एग्स इन वन बास्केट, काइंड ऑफ रिलेटेड टू मी. बट अब बाद में जाके ही टर्न आउट टू बी स्कैमस्टर फ्रॉड. सो वो मेरा आइडली थोड़ा गलत चुना गया. बट मेरा तो विजय माल्या ही था बचपन से. वहीं से अब मोटिवेशन. मैं एक टाइम पर सपना था कि किंगफिशर एयरलाइन में बैठना है क्योंकि वो लोग खाना खिलाते हैं. क्योंकि पहली बार हम जब दिल्ली से जयपुर फ्लाइट में बैठे थे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So yeah, and let us know in the comment section who was your first business idol or a business tycoon who you kind of got inspired by. And would you just tell us your stories on the comment section, and we would love to hear it from you. And if you're enjoying such conversations, देखो आज हम we are sitting in a professional setup, लाइट वाइट भी लगाई है हमने. तो तो प्लीज़ यार लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, थोड़ा भाइयों को सपोर्ट करो. लेट्स ग्रो टुगेदर. चाओ चाओ. Economic Times of Professionalism.